Welcome to my channel Raza Cool in English. So friends, in today's video I am going to tell you that if you have Whirlpool split AC and it is not cooling properly and it is taking a lot of time to cool the room and the electricity bill is also coming very high, then the video is for you. In this video you will get all the information in details. So let's start the video. First of all, lock the gas of your AC. There will be no gas problem in your AC if the gas is locked. Turn off the AC switch. Now separate the wire of its indoor unit and outdoor unit by opening it. The air throw in AC is less and there is less air in AC and there is sound of air cutting. Then you clean the AC in the same way. Believe that your AC will work like new and the electricity bill will also be very less. Air throw will also increase significantly. The problem of water is always there in AC, and even after repair again and again water is coming inside. Then after taking down AC you will know what is the problem. Take the AC down and open the AC. First of all, open the front cover of AC and take it out. AC's swing flap is also removed. Note that AC's swing flap is very weak. Remove it with light hands. Remove the filter neck. Unscrew all the locks and all the screws on the cover. Lift off the cover. Now remove the display cover by unscrewing the screws. Take out the drain assembly. Now also open the screw of swing motor and remove the drain assembly. You can see a build-up of sludge in the drain assembly. Also take out the wire of room sensor and coil sensor. Also open all the screws of PCB. Take out the connector of the fan motor from the PCB and remove the PCB. Also open the blower screw. Also open all the screws of the cooling coil. Separates the cooling coil from the main body. After that, open the fan motor cover screw. Remove the fan motor and blower as well. You can see that there is sludge accumulated in the drain behind the main cover. This sludge blocks the drain behind. You can see there is a lot of sludge accumulated in the cooling coil. While cleaning the cooling coil with jet pump, note that the pressure of the jet pump is too high. It can damage the cooling coil. Reduce the pressure of the jet pump. Do not work in haste. Do it slowly. When you are satisfied that the cooling coil is clean, only then wash the other parts. The cooling coil is a very important part of the indoor unit, so keep cleaning it until all the debris is removed. Your AC is not cooling. It is taking a long time to cool the room, or you are sweating while running the AC, then you must get this type of pump down servicing done. In this you will not need to fill gas. Let's clean the main body of the indoor unit with a jet pump. The dirt stuck in the body is cleaned with pressure. Now let's clean the main cover with the jet pump. The pressure of the jet pump is very high, so that I don't need to scrub the cover. You can also surf and brush if you want. You can see that there is a lot of garbage and dust in the blower. It is very important to clean it with pressure. Without pressure the prop is not clean. If you clean the blower like this, then believe me, the flow of your AC will be completely new and your AC will start cooling the room quickly. You can see that there is a lot of sludge in the drain assembly. Now clean the drain assembly with jet pump pressure. Now clean all the remaining parts with jet pump. If you want you can rub it and wash it with surf water. After washing all the items, you leave the item like this for a while until the water comes out. After that you wipe it thoroughly with a dry cotton cloth. Then we will put all the items back. The insulation on top of the indoor unit pipe has cracked and rotted, causing water seepage into the wall. Now apply insulation to this pipe and tape it well, don't skimp on taping. After this, apply white colored Heat-Lon tape to the pipe. This will prevent water from seeping through the pipe and seepage will not come in the wall of your room. After washing all the items, you leave the item like this for a while until the water comes out. After that you wipe it thoroughly with a dry cotton cloth. Then we will put all the items back. After that wipe the fan motor with a cloth. After that tighten the screw by installing fan motor and blower. Put the cover on the top of the fan motor and tighten the screw. By applying the cooling coil to the main body, tighten the screw on one side. We wipe the PCB with a cloth and tighten the screw. Attach coil sensor and room sensor. Put the connector of the fan motor in the PCB and pack the PCB. Tighten the swing motor into the drain assembly. After that put the drain assembly with a light hand. Lift the cooling coil from one side and put the drain assembly. After that tighten the screw on the other side of the cooling coil as well. Put the small cover on the back of the indoor unit as well. Now tighten the display in the cover and fix the cover. Tighten all the screws by applying the above 3 locks. After that also put the lock of the screw. After that put the filter net as well. After that apply the swing flap. Also note that the swing flap is very delicate and apply it carefully. Then put the front cover on. Now install the indoor unit of AC back in its place. Now your AC will work like a brand new AC and there will be no problem of permanent water entering your AC. Hope you have understood the information given by me. Then do like my video.